Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to earn from Google Workspace. You need to become a Google Workspace reseller. Google has a partner program that allows you to resell Google Workspace to companies. You buy Workspace licenses at a discount, then you sell them to clients at a regular or customized prices. You can bundle additional services like support, migration, or training. For example, you buy a $6 per month license for $5, sell it for $8 bundled with setup service. Or you can offer setup and migration services. Many small businesses don't know how to configure Google Workspace. You can charge to set up domains and email, migrate data from old systems, configure security and policies, or provide training to staff. For example, charge $100 to $300 per client for complete setup. And finally, you can do affiliate marketing, but it's limited. While Google doesn't have a traditional affiliate program for Workspace, you can recommend Google Workspace in your blog or videos. Use affiliate links from third-party resellers or educational platforms if available. And finally, if you're a web designer, digital marketer, or IT consultant, you can bundle Google Workspace setup into your packages and increase your offer, value, and price.